Okay, so plumbing in a concrete insulated panel home. Typically, we try and keep the plumbing out of the exterior walls, and how we do that is we do a plumbing plan. It's part of our pre-construction design, and we route all the plumbing through internal walls, or we come up underneath the cabinets or the islands, and it's just done pretty much under slab or in the crawl space. For our hose bibs, because we wouldn't put a frost-free spigot through our insulated wall because it's hard to connect to it after the fact, all we do is run a water line underneath the footing and connect it back up in the mechanical room, and we do have hose shutoffs in the mechanical room, and then we can drain the hose bibs from the exterior in the winter. And we usually put the hose bibs on a fence post. We bring a nice stainless steel or a copper pipe up the exterior of the building, and that's the hose bibs just on the exterior of the building. So a super simple solution.